that's one of the most common questions I get is, why have a CDP with my email tool? Why have a CDP with my CRM? How do they fit together? Why does it make marketing better? Why does it create a better customer experience? And I think it's a pretty simple mental model, once you get the picture right in your mind. And I think truly it's the CDP should help orchestrate all of the current marketing and CRM software you have so that they talk better together, so that you can actually create a seamless customer flow. And once you start thinking about it as, well, all my marketing tools and my sales tools, they are a bit siloed. That makes it very difficult for my marketers to create a seamless experience for the customer. So they usually focus on their channel and only their channel. They send email and only email. They do Facebook ads and only Facebook ads. They have sales do outreach to leads and only do outreach to leads within our Salesforce instance. And so the role of the CDP is truly not just to be, and traditionally this is the big change with composable, is it's not just to be the data layer. And I think that's where CDPs got lost. They were trying to only do the data layer. Their true job is and will be using AI to orchestrate all of these marketing and sales tools so you get more from your investment. Those tools will still be the delivery mechanisms of the email, of the SMS, of telling sales to reach out to a customer. But the question is, how do you make the best use of those investments? And the truth is, you need a CDP, a composable CDP, to leverage your data asset and AI to be able to do that orchestration. And that's really where CDPs will shine going forward.